My name is Rupendra Rao, Chairman of the Pennar Group. Our group now consists of mainly Pennar Industries Limited and also Pennar Engineered Building Systems, which is a subsidiary. Both these companies together last year had a turnover of 1,370 crores, and this year we are confident that they will exceed 1,500 crores. Now, the Pennar Engineering Building Systems is in the field of metal-based engineering products, also in the field of working for railways and making automobile products, building products, construction products, and also into heavy fabrication work. This subsidiary which was formed is Pennar Engineering Building Systems, which makes buildings, that means designing, manufacturing, erection, the complete turnkey buildings they take and do it. It's a new company, started only about 20 months back, but I'm very happy to tell you that in 20 months they have received orders of 500 crores. Out of that, 300 crores worth of buildings have already been supplied and 200 crores is the order book today. And what is very important is that these orders have been obtained from very prestigious customers. Some of the best companies in the country, Larsen & Toubro, Procter & Gamble, Schneider Electric, and Ultratech, and My Home Cements. So all these, and some of these buildings are not ordinary buildings but very complex. For example, we have built a Ultratech cement a shed with 65 meter span, which is very large. But the latest order we got is for 99 meter span without any column in between, and such a big span building has never been done in India by any PB manufacturer. So we'll be the first PB manufacturer to make such a building with such a big span. So therefore we are very happy and confident that with a very close association with Larsen & Toubro, who have made us our preferred supplier, and with repeat orders from Ultratech, from Schneider, and Dr. Reddy Labs. So we really hope that we'll progress further. Last year we did about 250 crores. This year we're going to do 250 crores. Next year we are targeting 350, and the year after for 500 crores in this subsidiary. And otherwise in the main company we want to go up to 2,200 crores, which is $500 million in about 3 years' time. No, we are mostly a company, Indian company, domestic company, selling to domestic customers. We have sold some buildings, about 18 to 20 crores to Africa, and we intend to strengthen our presence there because we feel there will be a good potential for selling buildings and building products in Africa. And other than this, we have not marketed to any other country. We are looking at export markets seriously, but because of this dollar fluctuation, all that, export markets are not that easy. Also, internationally, the Europe and USA are not doing too well. So we have to wait for some more time to develop those markets.